Hi, my name's John, and I'm just here to show you how I fixed my kid's electric vehicle. It just spins the steering wheel, and there's no stop for turning left or right. And so you can see it here kind of wobbles around, and so I'm thinking maybe a piece of wood I can brace the shaft and keep it from wobbling around. I think maybe that'll help, but I learned later that the shaft has a stop that was built in, but looks like it broke off. So I'm taking off the steering wheel and the shaft, and as I pull the shaft out, this is when I realized that there was a piece that broke. And so I look inside to see, it looks like that's where it stopped. So I'm going to just drill out a hole and add in a bolt as my stopper. So that's what I do. And I'm using these nuts to just kind of solidify the bolt. I don't have a welder. Putting it back in and testing it out seems to work. So we're just going to put the steering wheel, put it all back together, and hopefully the kids won't break it, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.